Zimbabwe's parliament is pushed through the highly contentious Constitutional Amendment Number 3 Bill, raising fresh concerns over what critics describe as the continued erosion of constitutional democracy and public accountability. Zarabana Mashkobdani Kwachenzi, 216 MPs voted in favor of controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill Number 3 that was subscribed by Oleka, put on the bill icon. Chipina Pangwa and Mzim The bill sailed through the National Assembly on Thursday after securing the required 2/3 majority. The 216 members of parliament voted in favor, while only 42 voted against it. Despite opposition from dissenting legislators and civil society groups, the ruling party used its numerical dominance to force the legislation through. The passage of the bill follows heated debate in Parliament, with the critics warning that the amendment opens the door to increased political interference and weakens safeguards meant to protect democratic institutions. Opponents argue that rather than addressing citizens' pressing economic and social challenges, lawmakers have prioritized constitutional changes that primarily serve political interests. The overwhelming vote has also sparked accusations that Parliament is increasingly acting as a rubber stamp for the executive, with the dissenting voices struggling to make an impact against the ruling party. Critics may say the speed and the determination with which the bill was passed reflect a troubling disregard for broader public concerns and constitutional principles. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ine tichiona kuti aiwa the passage here the bill pangwa ine inotoshoka, as we are saying kuti aiwa zvakananda vamanager kuhandle this situation kusvika ma-constitutional amendments achivhoterwa achikwanisa kusvitsa the threshold with its 2/3 majority. Kuna kuma section medu za fungo enyi matu deva msoro vichitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, punch on the bell icon.